Hello everyone, I got a charger, USB charger adapter for my Dewalt pack because I want to charge up things on the go and also power up a cooling mat for my cat of all things when we take it out in the tropical heat. Alright, so it's got some sort of safety approval here and it just came in a padded envelope and then this box. The fact that this box is so big makes me believe they must have other adapters for other battery packs like Milwaukee or whatever other competing packs there are. Some sort of instructions here. Swedish, eh? Greek, Polish. They're really covering the languages here. There's really even nothing to talk about. It's so simple. Okay. Alright, the thing is pretty thick plastic. I can flex it, but it seems pretty durable. Unless you literally stepped on it this way, I have a hard time thinking you would break it. Even if you stepped it on this way, I don't think you'd break it. Nice traction ribs there. And then it says here for 20 volt packs, 18 watts for the Type C, and quick charge 3.0 for the regular USB connector type. And there's your safety approval. Kind of a cheap sticker though, looks like it's already falling off. Then we have some instructions here. Okay, so pressed and the red light will be on, start charging, turn it off. And it says it'll automatically shut down after 30 seconds. So there must be something inside sensing the current, and once your device stops pulling current through, the thing will shut off, so it'll preserve your drill pack from being discharged. Alright, I'm not sure if the listing mentioned the dimensions, so that might matter to you. It's 47 grams. Let's see, the width of this thing is around 63 millimeters. The length is around 95. The thickness is around 26, 27 to play it safe. And then let's see how much height it adds to a pack itself, because you can't use it without a pack. I should probably measure this pack first. This pack is around 68. Now if I slap this on, what is going on? Why won't it go on? There we go. 68, 76. So it's basically adding 8 millimeters of height. It actually is sticking out a little bit as well. So, unfortunately I can't really measure that because this is, sorry. But it's sticking out probably an extra 2 millimeters, 3 millimeters if I had to guess. Okay, let's see here. I have a tablet and it's down to 54%. And actually I want to get this thing out here as well. This is a charger doctor. It tells you the voltage and how much amps are being pulled through it. So I'm going to pop this up here. We'll turn it on. Well, let's see what happens when we turn this on. Oh, pretty quick. And it shuts off relatively quick. Alright, so now that's on. Charger doctor's got nothing running through it. Where's my regular quick charge 3 cable? And then, let's see. Yep, alright, so it's charging. So there's the voltage, 4.9-ish, and the amperage, 0.9-ish. That makes sense for this old tablet. So it does what it does. That's the normal connector type. And then the more modern Type C, of course, and this little display handy drill thing. And that is charging as well. And then you just turn it off, or I guess when your device is fully charged, it'll turn itself off. And you might be, how high was this? This was a fully charged pack. Okay, not much else to talk about. The thing does what it does. It was pretty inexpensive, and if you already have, expensive drill packs, and you want to use them for another thing, this is good. It's going to come in handy for traveling and stuff like that, and pulling and charging things. Thanks. We'll see you in the next random product review.